Good morning everyone, I am Gino Gomez Kitay, the first reporter of the Ed 301 course. The topic that I will be discussing is for the Unit 1 Concepts, Perspectives, and Theoretical Foundations of the Curriculum. So before we will start the discussion, let me read the objectives. At the end of the lesson, students will be able to explain the major types of and components of the curriculum, the formal, informal, extracurricular, and the NEL, and the roles in the education system. Then, design a simple curriculum map that illustrates the components of the curriculum for a specific subject or grade level. And the students will demonstrate an appreciation for the importance of curriculum in shaping educational outcomes by expressing their understanding and discussing its impact on personal societal development in a group discussion. So those are the learning objectives that I hope that the students will learn or the students will get into. Now, what is curriculum? So curriculum refers to the structured and organized set of learning experiences. So in dimensions of teaching, curriculum is what we call the what of teaching. It is where the content, the objectives, the complete content wherein the school must teach and the student must learn. So according to John Dewey, curriculum is not a static body of knowledge to be passively received, but rather a continuous reconstruction of experience connecting to the learner's present. So, according to John Dewey, there's a changes. It is not a static. It does not stay there. There's a changes over time to connect to the needs and understanding of the learners. Now let us proceed to the types of curriculum. So for the formal curriculum, this refers to the planned and official curriculum that is prescribed by educational authorities or institutions. Example for this is the Matatag curriculum, where it typically includes specific subjects, topics, and learning objectives that must be taught at each grade level. So, second is the informal curriculum. Informal curriculum, referred to as the hidden curriculum. It is set of lessons that students learn indirectly through school culture. So just like the student learns teamwork, leadership, respect, and discipline, or it is not specifically included in the formal curriculum or formal subject but existed in the school environment. Non-curriculum refers to what is not taught in a curriculum or knowledge that and subjects intentionally excluded. So example of this is the one good example of this is the local history. Next is the extracurricular curriculum. Example of this from the word extracurricular curriculum, the extracurricular activities. Example of this is intramurals and other activities that is outside the academic curriculum. Now let us move forward to the components of the curriculum. So first, the objectives. The objectives is the clear goals and outcomes the curriculum is designed to achieve. So objectives, it is a goal intended learning outcomes that guide teachers and learners. It is at this topic the students must learn this, they can learn this, they can perform this, they can define this, they can identify this. Next component, the content. The subject matter or the topics and skills students are expected to learn. It is, okay, what of the curriculum? So, it is the subject matter, knowledge, or skills to be learned by the learners. For the formal curriculum, it is specifically listed or detailed, is detailed to have the clear, to promote clear content, especially it is grade level formal curriculum, well planned sa formal curriculum, unlike sa informal curriculum. The instructional methods, it is the strategies and techniques that teachers use to facilitate learning. So this is the strategies of a teacher uh, that uh, use to facilitate learning, whether the teacher will use uh, certain types of philosophies in teaching to teach effectively and connect to the students the needs of the students. First, you have to connect. The teacher must connect to the students in order for their effective communication. Learning experiences is the activities and interactions students to engage to achieve objectives, especially in the current curriculum, the Matatag curriculum. There with the learner-centered curriculum where the student can perform. So, in the school environment, the student must perform, especially in activities and interactions. And the last is the assessment and evaluation. Assessment and evaluation. These are the tools and methods used to assess students' understanding skills and achievement of learning outcomes. It is the process to measure students' learning and the effectiveness of the curriculum. The last part is the purpose of the curriculum. First, the curriculum facilitates learning, of course. The aim of the curriculum is to facilitate learning. Second, promotes personal development beyond academics. The curriculum helps uh, learners, even the teachers, to develop their personal and social skills. Third, curriculum prepares for future roles. Fourth is the cultural transmission. The curriculum serves as the medium in social beliefs and other values, especially in the local areas. And the last, it incorporates global competencies. Okay, that would be all. I hope everyone learned something new today. Thank you so much. God bless everyone.